Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this part in NX 12. Okay, let's start. First, we need to create Extrude. Select XY plane. Then we create circle. Make dimension 190. Finish. Reverse the direction. Distance is 27. We need to add the draft from the start limit. $60. Okay, minus 60. Next, we need use the shell and select this face. The dimension is 3.3. Okay. Next, we need to create this cylinder. So 40, 18, 3. Extrude, select XY plane. Create circle. Dimension 40. Finish. Reversed direction. Distance 18.3. Boolean unit. Okay. Next, we need to use revolve. Then we select XZ plane. Create sketch. Make dimension 12 millimeter. And we need make dimension this 3.3. So we need create integration code. Then we need to select this face. Here we need to change it to here. So select circle solution. Select this edge. Convert to reference. Make dimension. Undo. $3.3. $49. Select this point, these 2 points. Horizontal. 8 millimeter. So finishing the sketch. Then we need to select these axes. Boolean subtract. Okay. Sorry. Dimension. We need add the part. So 3. Create. Extrude. Select this face. Create a circle. Onto create circle. Dimension 49 plus 6.6. Okay. Finish. Distance 8 plus 3.3 unit. Okay. We need move the extrude up to the 4. Okay, nice. Next we need to create these 3 cut feature. So the dimension 143 and 60. So select this face and create a circle. Concentrate this point onto X. Make dimension 143 and this diameter 66. Sorry, we need to change the delete. Create circle. Concentrate online 143. Oh. 2. Finish. Reverse the direction. The dimension 15. Boolean subtract. Okay. Next, we need part future. Select this extrude and circle. Point. Pitch 390. Okay. Next we need to create these 4 holes. So extrude, select this face and create a circle. Diameter 9 mm. Then create a line. Angle 45 and select this line, convert to reference. Make constitute these 2 lines equal. finish. Reversed direction. OK. Select Extrude. Partner Future. Full. OK. Change the color. Okay, we finished the part. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.